The one-year plumbing technician program at Perry Tech prepares students for entry-level careers in residential, commercial, and industrial environments. With a focus on safety, students are provided a broad base of knowledge that includes fittings, power tools, drains, backflow, venting, and water distribution systems, while the hands-on portion of the program includes installation of piping, fixtures, valves, and water heaters. Additionally, students are trained in plumbing fundamentals, math, and blueprint reading, finish and advanced plumbing, as well as professional development in an effort to create well-rounded future leaders in the industry. Students are provided an opportunity to participate in an externship where they have the ability to identify their desired work environment and gain real-world experience prior to entering the workforce. Perry Tech works with industry professionals in order to develop our program curriculum to ensure that you receive the skills that industry demands. Also, the Uniform Plumbing Code is used and applied throughout classroom and lab activities. We also treat every day as if it were the world of work, meaning each student clocks in and out daily and must adhere to a strict no drug or alcohol policy. Upon graduation, you will find that the skills you acquire in this program can help you find a rewarding career, where the essential tasks you will perform are critical to the success of your organization. From sanitary to sewer and water supply systems, there are many aspects to the trade that will allow you to install and service day-to-day systems such as showers, sinks, water heaters, and more. Plus, the knowledge and skills you develop over the course of the one-year program can prepare you for the additional hours required to become a journeyman for commercial and industrial plumbing, and ultimately make you a more attractive job candidate or business owner. To prepare you for life after graduation, our career services staff will work with you to develop materials such as resumes and cover letters, and will assist you with mock interviews. Take a more in-depth look at the one-year plumbing technician program by visiting perrytech.edu/tour to schedule a program tour today.